Hi all, Chris at E-Commerce Intelligence here. We're a full service Amazon agency from the UK, serving clients globally. You can visit www.christurtonecommerce.com to find out more about us. I want to talk about Amazon profitability and working out the correct fees and costs on Seller Central. These tips are the same whether you're in the UK, US, Europe or globally. I'd say 85% of the businesses that come to us do not fully understand their margins when selling on Amazon. It's a shocking result when some of these clients have also worked with other agencies and consultants. So today, I'm going to explain what we do and how it's clearer when examining both profitability and focusing on the right products at the right time. Not only this, but it will allow you to competently know whether or not your advertising and marketing expenses can fit within your margins. There's no point having a 9% TACOS figure if you're only clearing a 9% margin. You might as well take money to the side of the box. So number one, let's talk about revenue calculators. First of all, the FBA calculator on Seller Central and others jotted around the web, do not rely on them as gospel. They sometimes do not keep up to date with the latest changes. So, for example, the change to FBA fees now being based on dimensional weights and dimensions. So just be careful there. And just because you have put the dimensions and weights into your product listing, it doesn't mean that's exactly what you're going to be charged. So keep away from pre-made revenue calculators. The solution here is build your own and cross-reference the fees. In other words, get into Seller Central, look into your transaction view under Payments tab, see exactly what you're getting charged for the referral and FBA fees. You can click inside it right into every order ID. No more guesswork. Number two, work everything out from your landed cost price. This is really important because you need to know how much it is to get a single unit from your fulfillment center directly to the customer. It blows my mind how many businesses do not do this or overinflate their costs by basing it on average order value or multiple items. Remember to get your shipping, courier fees and pallet costs in, as well as quantity breaks. Let me go through our basic margin calculator by field. We break this down into three sections. We first of all have the correct referral fee, which we've checked, and whether or not the products are tax exempt. In the UK, we call this VAT, value added tax. We show the current retail price to the consumer. We then cover the individual unit cost price, the landed cost price, the single postage cost, the correct referral fee. This gives us the margin as if we were going to sell individual units. The first section is FBM, or fulfilled by merchant, or SFP, seller fulfilled prime. We then can analyse the margin with the correct FBA fee, which we cross-reference in the transaction view, and we can break it down via carton or pallet cost. Looking at this example, you can see a very tight margin is created using FBM, but a devastating loss if we sold the product into FBA in either single unit or multi-carton form. It's crucial we do this line by line, ASIN by ASIN. We can look at all of those individual margins. This is pivotal to all our new clients when they come on board with us. Do not fall into the trap of calculating FBA from a single unit. In other words, your FBA has more costs associated because it costs you more to do, but in most cases you're able to send multiple units into a fulfillment center rather than sending a single unit to a consumer, right? This is where FBA becomes more cost effective. Another tip, buy box repricing software. Controversially, I would say keep away from it. Set your pricing so you're profitable. If you have to undercut your pricing so it's not possible to maintain the buy box, get your product off Amazon. Don't waste your time and money doing it. We know advertising impacts organic ranking by as much as 60% now. So it's wise for you not just to use ACOS or ROAS into your margins, but to use the TACOS, which is the total advertising cost of sale, as another metric. If you take on these 5 simple points, you'll really help yourself and your organization be profitable on Amazon. If you have any further tips, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more Amazon and e-commerce tips and tricks. Thank you.